How to use PayPal.me to receive money on PayPal. That's exactly what we are going to show you in this tutorial. Before that, make sure to subscribe to our channel, it helps a lot. And let's get started. So first of all, we're gonna open PayPal homepage from paypal.com, and after that, click on settings. It's gonna open for us the settings page, and let's go to the profile section where it has your name and your profile picture. Right there beside your profile picture, you're gonna find the paypal.me link, as you can see, with a customized link. And if you didn't find one, you're most probably gonna find a button that will create one for you. So let's try to open this link. As you can see, this is the page that appears to the person that opens the link. He can either request money from you or send money directly to your PayPal. That's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment any suggestion or question on the video. Have a nice day.